Hey, welcome back. I wanted to show you something quick here. This is a piece of a Shakespeare. Man gave it to me. Said he didn't have any use for it because he busted up the tip or the ferrule, whatever you want to call it, that goes in here. Well, this is one of the reasons why I keep all my broken rods. This is a perfectly good ferrule. So what I'm going to do is, not going to do it today, but I'm going to show you what I would do. Is I'll take this ferrule, make sure it fits, got a nice snug fit, put that together, line up the eyes, and what I would do with this is once I get it to where I like it, I'll mark it with a piece of tape. Let's just go ahead and mark it with a piece of tape so you'll know. I'll mark it with a piece of tape. Once I got that tape on there, I'll pull it back out. Now, what I'm going to do on my next step, if you haven't used Gorilla Epoxy, it's 2-part epoxy, that is some tough stuff. Man, that stuff works great. So what I'll do is I'll epoxy this from the tape down. Then I'll take the inside of this, epoxy the inside of it. Once I got the epoxy on there, I'll take and I'll put the ferrule in there. It's got a little snug fit. Get my eyes lined up. Of course, at this time, when the epoxy dries, you can put all new eyes on it. Then once that's done, I'll take my thread, take that tape off, and then I'll put thread from here to here. And then once I get that thread on there, then I'll epoxy the thread. So now, what that does, that will give you a perfectly good 6-foot rod. You ready to go fishing. So that's what I'll be doing when my workout here is slow. So if you really want to get down to it, strip it. Take all of the eyes off of it. Get you some wet sandpaper. Sand it down. Paint it to your color. Whatever you like. Put your coat of sealer on it. Put your eyes on it. You got a brand new rod ready to use. That's the reason I keep all my parts. That's the reason I keep all my broken rods. I just thought I'd share that with you. Hey, thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for helping my channel grow. And I'll see you on the next one. Until then, go fishing. Happy RVing.